I wanna hear you say that you only want me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another cleaning motivation video for you guys because I have a ton to clean. The boys actually just went to bed. It's like 8:45, but we actually went hiking today and we were just gone all day long. I made Noah's birthday cake last night and I cleaned that up mostly, but I still have some of it left over. We were gone basically all day and we got home just in time to like do his cake and have dinner. So I basically have not done like much of any cleaning. The only cleaning I've done is like little pickups here and there, and then the boys actually did their chores. So like the dishwasher has been emptied and things like that, but otherwise I have like a whole day's worth to do in our main living area. So I figured I would take you guys along with me because there is a lot to get done. So hopefully you guys will enjoy watching and get lots and lots of cleaning motivation. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So the dining room table wasn't too messy. We just had some Father's Day cards that we had been making. And on our island, I had everything that I had used to make my son's birthday cake and also a few snacks that we had brought home from hiking. So I had to get all of that put away. The sink is obviously full of dishes from all day long. And if you can see down on the floor, it is just covered. It was so dirty. So I really needed to do a good vacuuming and mopping throughout the entire main living area. And then in the living room, I had the boys pick up most of their things before they went to bed, but otherwise we just have a few toys left on the floor, of course a few shoes and throw pillows. So now it is time to clean. So I wanted to go ahead and start out in the dining room for once and just get those few items taken care of and put away. And then move on to the kitchen. The kitchen was definitely the area that I needed to focus the most on. So I wanted to first of all get the island cleared off and get all the dirty dishes into the sink and then take care of the cake and the cake tools. So this was a huge cake and it's definitely way too much to save in our fridge all at once. So I'm just quartering it and putting 1/4 into our fridge and putting the other 2/4 into our freezer for a later time. Don't be afraid. Just break the chains of your feet. And moving on to the dishes, I load our dishwasher at least once a day, but I'm curious how often everyone else loads their dishwasher. I feel like I do load it every single day because I do cook a lot, and so we definitely go through dishes in our house. I won't let it hold me down. And once the dishwasher was loaded, I just needed to hand wash the rest of the dishes. We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts, faces filled with... So the dish soap that I'm using now is the Method dish soap, and it is in the sea salt and lime scent. and it smells so, so good. I love this one. And as usual, I'm using it to clean out my sink. Anytime I have dishes sitting in the sink, I will always clean it out. I feel like it gets so grimy, so I definitely want to make sure that it stays nice and clean. And then I always add a few drops of essential oil into my drain, and it makes it smell so good. If you haven't tried this yet, definitely try it out. It makes such a difference.
This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better.
Next, I just needed to put away the dishes that I had just washed and get my drying towel put back on my dishwasher. So the cleaner that I'm using today is my Caldrea all-purpose cleaner concentrate, and it is in the sea salt neroli scent. It smells so, so good. This has been by far my very favorite cleaner. I use it constantly. And because it's a concentrate, I mix it with water and it lasts forever, you guys. So awesome. And if you watch my cleaning videos, you know that I've been kind of playing around with what kinds of rags I'm using, and on this night I was just using my tried and true blue rags that I get from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 12 and they are disposable, but they are tough enough that you can use them for several uses, so I'll usually use them for like 1 or 2 days and then toss them out. But it does cut back on my laundry, which is really nice sometimes, so these are still a favorite of mine. And I'm definitely still planning on painting my bar stools white and gray. I really am excited for that. I think they'll look really good. The last few weeks have been so busy for us, and so I haven't gotten around to it, and we are about to go on vacation, so I probably won't get to them for another couple weeks, but when I do, I will definitely film it for you guys because you guys were really interested in that when I mentioned that last time. Moving into my dining room, I just wanted to wipe it off. It actually wasn't really dirty from dinner. We just kind of ate at the breakfast bar. But when I do a big clean of my kitchen, I still like to just wipe down my table even if it's not really that dirty. The tall produce basket in the corner is something that I get questioned about all the time, and so I wanted to let you guys know I did get that from Costco about a year ago, and I have looked for you guys, but I haven't been able to find the exact one, but I will try and link some very similar ones that I can find on Amazon for you guys because I know you guys always love that. Next was the stove. I definitely needed to clean this. You can tell it's kind of dirty. So just to get all the food off, I'm just wiping it down with that same cleaner and cloth.
All that I need, trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you.
And then after it's all clean, I will just rinse that same rag out with water and then wipe down the stove one more time just so that it's covered with a little bit of water.
Like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated.
And then I will just grab my e-cloth, and this one is the glass and polishing cloth. I really love this one. It polishes your stainless steel so amazingly well just using water, and then you just wipe it down with the e-cloth afterwards and it polishes your stainless steel amazingly. I believe they're still having a sale right now where you can get like 2 cloths for the price of 1, so it's $8 for 2 cloths, and they are reusable. You can wash them. They work so good. You guys, I sing their praises all the time. I just love them.
Love, I stay in bed. I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft, not looking for no.
So once the dining room and kitchen was clean, I needed to go into my living room and just pick up anything that was on the floor. If you watch my videos, you know we have 3 young boys, so there is almost always something on our floor. As hard as I try, it is definitely a losing battle. And as you can tell, it's gotten dark out, so I wanted to go ahead and close our blinds.
The smoke in the mirrors, our memories now, the sun's gone down. Like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
And the last thing that I always do is my floors. Now if you watch my cleaning videos regularly, you know that I just recently got a Dyson cordless vacuum when we moved into our new house, and I really love it. But this company, Procenic, had actually reached out to me to see if they could send me a vacuum, and I was very interested to try it out because it is a lot more affordable. You guys are always telling me in the comments that you're really interested in the Dyson, but the cost is just too much, and I completely understand. And honestly, if I did not have my YouTube channel, I probably would not have been able to get my Dyson. So I was really excited to try this vacuum and see how it worked because it is a lot more cost effective. And honestly, you guys, it works really good. I've noticed it does not do quite as well on the carpet, although it does do pretty good still. So if you have like all carpet in your house, I would probably not recommend this, but if you have mostly hardwoods like me with a little bit of carpet, it's definitely a great option, especially for the price. This vacuum is under $200, and I also asked them for a coupon code for you guys, and they gave me one, so I will leave the coupon code and the link in the description box below. Definitely check them out. This vacuum is a great deal for the price. And once those crumbs were all vacuumed up, I went ahead and started mopping. Now I usually do my steam mop, but I was so tired from hiking all day, I really just wanted something simple. So I'm just using this little cedar mop, and it definitely does not do quite as well as my steam mop does, but it definitely gets the job done, and it is really convenient, especially on those nights when I just don't want to pull out the steam mop and when I just want to get a quick mopping of the floors. And once the floors were done, I just love to enjoy our clean house, especially when I do it at night, and then it won't get messed up until the boys wake up in the morning. But for those few hours, it is clean.
Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in.
So the last thing I needed to do this night was just take the garbage out. Usually this is something that my husband will do, but I saw it was full, and so I just decided to go ahead and do it myself. So now I know that my house is clean for the night, and it is just such a relaxing and peaceful feeling going to bed with a clean house. Let me know if you guys are like that too, if you have to have a clean house at night, or if it's not a huge deal. I know to me it makes a big difference. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some cleaning motivation to tackle a few chores on your list. Do not forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.
Yeah, it feels like you're the one who
crazy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes I